This is the third video in the MrCute 2 series of outlines. This time we're looking at creating and uploading a new learning package. Again, we're in the visitor test area on the MrCute Moodle area. For you to try, learningobjectivity.com/MrCute will get you there. Find a box, here's one we used earlier, and this time we're going to click Upload Learning Materials. And of course, as with Moodle, right through Moodle, you can change these words to something you prefer if you like. If your teachers find it easier to understand upload files or create a learning package, that's fine, use that. Here's the new MrCute button, Make a New Learning Package. By the way, you may notice that the original uploading existing package is missing at the moment. That's just because that's still in development. We click Make a New Learning Package, which will allow to go to the tool which we need for creating the package. Resize the window slightly so it fits in our video. And the first thing to note, if you've got MrCute 1 already, is that in MrCute 2 you can create a full package with multiple items, so I'm going to make that happen straight away. And we can add files and we can add web links. I'm going to create just a 3-file item about some travels in India that I did last year. So I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to browse to some file. Here we are. And let's just choose some at random. This is a very chap called Joseph, who's our tuk-tuk driver. So we'll have a file called Joseph. In fact, we could make this whole on transport in India, couldn't we? Let's see if we can find the other forms of transport. Here's a bus going through Fort Kochi in Kerala. So we'll call this one bus. And we'll have one more item in our page. We can find another form of transport. As we should be looking for some animals. How about a boat? This is a boat on the Kerala backwaters. Now at this stage I could also, if I wanted to, add a web link, and if I felt that a bus was more important than Joseph's tuk-tuk, I could move the bus into first order there. Okay, so we're going to call this Indian Transport. Well, if I could spell it. And the description is some images of transport in Kerala. Keywords: transport, India, Kerala. Will do us for now. The category I'm just going to put into a miscellaneous category now. As I said in one of the previous videos, categorization isn't really important. It's the keywords that are important because people will be searching across categories. After all, if we put this into transport, somebody might want pictures of India. If we put it into an India category, people might want pictures of a bus. So using keywords can make it much more powerful. So let's put bus. Let's put tuk-tuk, which is the name of the little 3-wheeled scooter-based taxis. Case isn't important. I just am obsessive compulsive about capitalization. And what was the other item? I had boat. There we are. Because I'm an administrator, I have the right actually to say whether this material is approved or not. I'm going to assume that it is approved, and I am willing to share the material, so I'm not going to tick either of those items. I'm going to click the Save button. That is now going away to the server, and it's creating an IMS package, a standard IMS package, IMS being Instructional Management Systems, an international standard for packaging content for learning materials. And the item has now been added, so I can now preview the item, and I can, as the first picture of Joseph coming up, I've uploaded rather large items here, so I won't do any more on that. I'll just simply choose the item. Notice that again it puts the links in and the titles, and this time I'll leave the navigation side menu on, click Save and return to course. So I've now created a new learning package to the IMS standard, but as a teacher I don't need to know that. There's nothing to tell me that I've done that. I've done it and it's there, and on our course we will now find that Indian Transport is there. So we saw earlier on how to find materials and embed them from a source that was already made. We've now seen how to upload a new package and link to it, embed it if necessary. So that's the end of this video on creating and uploading.